My name is Will, and in today's video, we will be discussing the proper wiring techniques for a Danfoss Optyma Slim condensing unit. This is a 208-230 single-phase, low-temp unit. 2 electrical conduits have been added to this unit, one for power and one for control. All wires required for installation have been pulled from the evaporator to the condenser through the conduits. Here we have the condensing unit with the panel removed to expose where all electrical connections will be made. Today we'll be focusing on the timer and this contactor here where all power connections to the unit will be made. The 2 conduits that were added can be seen here. The top one will be used for the power wires. The bottom one will be used for the signal wires, for contactors, and the cycle limit switch. So the first connections that will be made will be the defrost heater contactor connections. I'm going to take the 2 wires for the defrost heater. One will go here, and the signal wire will go here. The next hookup that needs to be made will be the fan contactor. Fan contactor wires are located here. One fan contactor wire goes to the neutral. The other signal wire for the fan contactor goes to terminal 4. The next connection to be made will be the defrost termination wires. Pull these guys. And as before, defrost termination, one goes to the neutral. Defrost termination signal wire goes to terminal X on the time clock. The next connection to be made will be the power connections. Power connections will be made on terminals L1 and L2, and the earthing or grounding will be made on this stud seen here. And with that step done, the wiring of this Danfoss Optyma Slim condensing unit is complete. To learn more about this topic, see the video description below. And for more videos like this, visit our YouTube channel, Danfoss Cool US. And thanks for watching.